Mark hits one. To the fence, go two. Mark's on second. Mike Kemp's up. That ball's to left center. That ball is out of here. Tony Anderson. Mark scores from third.
Come on, Dan.
Run it, 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 run it. That ball's out of here. Dave hits a two-run homer.
Number 13, come on, guys.
That's through for a base hit. Staying right there. Whoa, 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 whoa. One out. Runner on first. Jeff Jackson's up. Go. Stay right here, Jeff. Stay right here. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Oh, crap. No.
Nice hit. Yeah, it's in there. It's in there.
That's in the gap.
Two, Dan. Easy, easy. Right there. Come on, Kevin. Nobody out, Dan. Yeah, you stayed on the ball.
Good eye up there, 1-4. Pick out a good pitch. Be patient up there. Don't hit the bomb.
Yeah, you run for little kid.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, you got it. You got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Safe. Nice. How to beat it out. Let's go, Darwin. First and third. Nobody out, Kevin. Nobody out. Come on.
A gun will make you run pretty quick.
Yeah.
Tag it. Tag it. Tag it. Not you, Kevin. Not you. Drop. Drop.
Go, go, go.
Go, Kevin. Go, Kevin. Come on, Mark. There you go. Not yours.
Are you ready now?
One out, runner on first.
Come on, Nate. There you go.
That's in. There you go. Hold it up, Darwin.
That's a stroke right there.
No, no, no. What are you doing, Darwin?
Go, go, go. Hey. There you go.
Where is it? Where is it?
Go. Did he catch it?
Yeah, he got it. That's a sack fly, no advice. Yeah. Get through there.
Oh,
right in the face. Go, Tony, go, Tony, go, Tony, go, Tony.
No pitch.
There you go. Nope. Oh! That's not really going. Fair.
Oh, knuckleball, knuckleball.
He's got it. You got it. You got it. And all I had to do was find it.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Nice. There you go, Dave. There you
That
go.
ball is out of here
11, right?
over the Hampton sign.
It's 11. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Okay. Good look, bro.
With the drop ball.
Watch it, watch it, watch it.
There you go. That's out of here. That's good. Jeff.
Over the field sign, dead center. Jeff Jackson with a solo shot.
They have century tournaments. Oh, that guy, 12.
Keith Kelly's up. Mike Kemp running.
There you go.
Hey.
Oh.
Safe.
Yeah.
There you go, Bobby.
Another good play by Doug.
There you go. That way. Good job. There you go. Good that. Got 14 at the plate. Kevin Rogers got a strike on him. He's fixing to hit one out of here. First home run of the season. Oh, yeah.
Kevin, good hit, buddy.
Kevin with an RBI single.
That was real nice.
Got Darwin Bullock at the plate. 2 outs, 2 on. Scanning the field here. Darwin is still at the plate.
Started one, Darwin.
Bases loaded. Mark's up the bat. They got 2 outs now. Got 2 runs in this inning.
So I'm 5. Here you go. 6 card, Mark.
Stonecrest has the bases loaded, 2 outs. Mark Duncan at bat. And he hits a grand slammer. Out of here. Got to run the bases. Got to run the bases.
I know you're not used to it, but you got to run them. Oh, man. That wasn't a grand slam. Yeah, it was. Yeah. It was a grand slam, but he only gets 6. We got a total 6, so we're able to get 6. Good job, Mark. 17. Hey, good job, Mark. Attaboy, 8.
Thank you. Hey, we got that one on video, even though I was on. We're in the top of the 4th at 17-1 Stonecrest. Mike Kemp is up.
There you go, that way. That way.
The ball's out of here.
One more inning. We got it back to 5. Yeah. Stop thinking 4.5. There you go. Yeah, wait on it. Yeah, wait on it. Here we go now.
Foul ball.
Yes!
Dan hits one to the right center fielder at the fence. That ball is out of here quickly over the clean as a whistle sign. And Dave shows us how it's done with a solo shot. The right center fielder handles that one for the 3rd out. Going into the bottom of the 4th, it's 19-1 Stonecrest.
Whoa.
Hey, Bobby.
Bob Nairmore with a base hit to left center. See what that one's going to do. It's close. It's in the gap.
Run, Bobby. Come on, you should have scored on that. It's 2 outs.
Oh, dear.
Hurry.
They've been telling him use his hips. Use his hips, Lord.
Flat.
Hey, good hustle. At the plate, Darwin. One and one on Darwin. 1-1. Nice stride. Just a nice, easy stride. That's you, Darwin. That's you, Darwin. Good base hit, Darwin. Attaboy. Nice, easy stride. Good job. Darwin gets a single. He's on first. Good job, buddy. Stay relaxed, Mark. Stay relaxed. Mark Duncan at the plate. Nobody out. He missed that one. Hey, one out. One out, Darwin. Darwin's at first. One out, Duncan. And now you've got Mike Kemp at the plate. Hey, good hit, Mike. Good hit, Mike. Mike Kemp with a single to right field. That's it. At home, hitting now, or Georgia, or Alabama, Georgia, or somewhere in the South. Base hit. Base hit by the big man.
Oh, there we go. That away. Yeah.
That ball's out of here. Over the Hampton sign.
24-6.
Oh, it's through.
Gotta run it.
Davey.
It's out. Trouble, trouble.
It's over his head in right center. Get back on the bag.
Good eye. There you go.
Over the Jeff B golf cars by the stump. Jeff Jackson hits a 3-run homer.
Yeah, way to go, Chuck.
All right, come on, let's love him up.